Hello everyone, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial series where we'll be looking at JavaScript from the beginning. This is the first video and we'll be looking at the environment setup. On the page right now I have Visual Studio Code, which is a pretty neat text editor for extensions, has a lot of extensions, tools and other stuff which aids in development. You can install this either for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. I have it already installed on my system, so I won't be doing it again, but the installation steps are pretty simple and you will have this in no time. Alright, now let me just introduce you to one more tool which you'll be using frequently, that is the Chrome Dev Tools. Let me just go to options here, more tools and developer tools. Alright, so you see this, you see this first. Alright, you see at the elements tab first. Now you have to switch to sources. Let me just delete this now. I'll just show it again. Alright, so you'll have this one as the starting page here. All you have to do is press this button and snippets, new snippet, and you can rename this snippet. Now I'll call it demo, and let me just run some basic JavaScript here, console.log hello. Alright, let me just run this. What it basically does is it prints the word hello onto the console like the name says. So let me just run this, and as you can see, hello is printed here. Alright, so this is the tool which you'll be using frequently here, and let me just go to VS Code right now, which I have already installed, and let me just quit this. Alright, yeah, so let me just navigate to File, Preferences and Extensions here. Alright, so this is the page you will get here, and I would like to point at some extensions that are in my opinion very helpful. Bracket pair colorizer is one such extension which basically colorizes the brackets and helps you identify the code blocks. Material icon theme is another aesthetic extension which lets you look at these icons. Look at these icons, like helps you identify these icons in a pretty manner. One Dark Pro is the theme that I'm using currently. You can have there are a lot of extensions like these, and you can change the themes as you wish. Finally, we'll be looking at Prettier. Prettier is another neat extension which prettifies your code and makes it more readable. Basically adds intents to places where it's required and stuff, so you can just install this. Alright, let me just go to File again, and Preferences and Settings. I have this one setting that's important here, which I feel is important. Let me just go to Format. Let me just type Format, and as you can see, this format on save is checked here. Make sure you check it, or else you will have to format the code every time. You have to run Prettier every time you wish to format the code. So with this checked, you can just save the file and the code gets formatted automatically. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.